Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about the OWASP Top 10. So what is OWASP? It is list of most critical web application security risks that is listed by the Open Web Application Security Project. It is widely accepted standard for understanding and mitigating common vulnerabilities in web applications. Now, each year, they actually it's not each year, but they strive. Of course, they strive to give us a yearly list. So in that year, they will list the top most common security risk. So for example, by the way, this said here that they are planning to announce the release of the OWASP Top 10 2025 in the first half of 2025. But we will look into the previous and the existing list. So last 2017, they have this list in which the top is the injection, the second is the broken authentication, so on and so forth. Now in 2021, this list has been updated and it come out that this broken access control, which is on the fifth list, is now the top of the list in 2021, broken access control. So what is broken access control? Now this is what we are going to discuss today. Okay, so a broken access control, in this description here, access control enforces policies such that users cannot act outside of their intended permissions. Failures typically lead to unauthorized information disclosure, modification, or destruction of all data or performing a business function outside the user's limit. So you notice that when we are logging into a system, some of us may only have access to some of the features. That is because as a user, you are only permitted to access that one. So for example, in a sales and inventory and you are a salesperson, then you are not permitted to see the inventory but only the sales part. So it depends upon your uh, permission. But in a broken access control, some of those users that are not permitted to see other or use other features will be able to access it. And that is where the problem is. Now, I have an example. I'll be using WVA for my example. Actually, I have two examples. This is the first one wherein we'll be able to access some files in the system that we are not supposed to access. I will log in here first. Okay. Then to make this work, I will make this low. Okay, so if we will go to file inclusion, it says here page include .php, meaning we can access the include .php file and we are not supposed to access any other file in the system. But for example, a hacker will try, he doesn't know if it works or not, but he will try. He might try so like and he might try if that works. So as you can see, it works. You will be able to get this content from that file. How this vulnerability works. Again, accessing something that you are not supposed to access. So there should be a list of permissions. Now, of course, because I put that in the low security and that how it ended. But if I will put the security too high, of course, that problem is already mitigated. So, for example, if I will do it again, so file error, file not found, there's an error. Okay, now another example uh, for this broken access control is from this Portswigger. Okay, so you have here a lab, unprotected admin functionality. This lab has an unprotected admin panel. Of course, if you are not the administrator, you are not supposed to access this page. So solve the lab by deleting the user Carlos. We should be able to access the admin panel first and then we will delete Carlos. So let's click access the lab. And by the way, I will be running my burp suit here. Target, scope, add, paste the URL. Okay. Do it again. Okay. So we're loading the. Now let's see if we can get some clue here as to what is the panel. Let's try to maybe log in. Okay. Try admin. Works. Won't work. Log in. Protected. Okay, so not here. Let's try to check if we have see panel work. No. Log in. There are three logins, but that doesn't give us the admin. Okay, so we can also do brute force like admin not found, admin slash login, no, or we can try robots usually can have this one here. Let's see if we will get. Okay, this is interesting. We have this administrator panel. Let's try if this works. Wait, excuse me. Okay. Oh yes. So we are here in the administrator. As you can see, we are not supposed to access this, but we were able to access this one because of the vulnerability. Okay, so I will delete this. And congratulations, you solved the log. Okay, so basically, What I did is try to access a page that I am not supposed, and that is another example of broken access control. Okay, so thank you and see you on my next video.